Namaste, Suprabhatam Sarvesham. Good morning to all. Today we are going to explain about the power of unity. There is a small story, very famous story about the power of unity. One day, a father gave one stick to his son to test his power. The son took the stick and easily he broke it. Then the father gave the two sticks for the son. Again, the son took that and broke it easily, very easily. Then the father gives a bundle of sticks to his son. He tried hard, but he could not able to broke the sticks. So it clearly indicates about the power of unity. This power of unity is told in Sanskrit shloka. त्रेतायां मंत्रशक्तिश्च ज्ञानशक्तिः कृते युगे द्वापरे युद्धशक्तिश्च संघशक्तिः कलौ युगे. According to Hindu mythology, there are four eras that term were called is Yuga. First one is Kruta Yuga, second one Treta Yuga, third one is Dwapara Yuga, and fourth one now is Kali Yuga. Tretayam mantra shakti. In each and every yugas, the power where it is staying, it is told in this sloka. Tretayam mantra shakti. The power was in the mantras when Treta Yuga was running. Dhyana shakti krute yuge. In Kruta Yuga, the power was in the knowledge. Dwapare yuddha shakti. In Dwapara Yuga, the power was in the battles. Yuddha. Sangha shakti kalau yuge. In the Kali Yuga, the power is in the unity. The power of unity becomes essential in this Kali Yuga. So let us all become a unity and move towards our goal. Then only we can succeed. Once again, I will repeat this sloka. त्रेतायां मंत्रशक्तिश्च ज्ञानशक्तिः कृते युगे द्वापरे युद्धशक्तिश्च संघशक्तिः कलौ युगे. धन्यवादः.